In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and set up a blog in Wix Studio. First, open your Wix Studio project. Log into your Wix account, choose the website you want to add a blog to, and click Edit or Edit Site to launch the Wix Studio editor. Give the editor a moment to load. Everything you need will appear on the left and right panels. Next, insert the blog element. In the editor, click Add. The quick add button or the plus icon works. Then use the search bar at the top to type blog. When you see the blog option, click Add to Site. Wix will place a basic blog widget on your page. You can drag it into position and resize it to fit your design, whether that's centered in the main content area or tucked neatly into a sidebar. Think about where your reader's eyes naturally go so the blog feels easy to discover. Now configure the basics. Click the blog widget to open its settings on the right. You'll see a shortcut to create a post for writing your first article and blog settings for controlling what shows in the feed. In blog settings, choose how posts are ordered. Newest first is common for timely content, while featured can highlight important pieces. Decide which categories or tags you want visible, and set how many posts display per page so the feed feels balanced without overwhelming the page. Choose a layout that matches your content style. In the layout section, try out options like a classic grid for a clean, organized look, a single column for a traditional reading flow, or a magazine grid if you publish a lot of images. Use Preview to see each layout on your site and feel free to switch back until it looks right. Then customize the design. In the design section, adjust colors for titles, body text, and backgrounds, pick fonts and sizes for readability, tweak borders and padding for breathing room, and set a background image or color for the blog area. Keep it consistent with your brand, warm and friendly for a personal blog, or clean and professional for business updates. Manage your content from one place. Click Manage Posts to create new posts, edit existing articles, and moderate comments if you enable them. Organize with categories like travel, recipes, or news, and add tags to help readers discover related content. If you work with multiple writers, add them as authors so each post displays the correct name and profile. If you plan to monetize, look for monetization or payments in your blog or site settings. And if a setting is unclear, hover over it to see a helpful tooltip. When you're ready, click Preview to check both mobile and desktop, make any final tweaks, and then hit Publish in the top right to take your blog live. That's all for today. Thank you.